Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, you can have gold writing on your cake, and I'm going to show you how. Gold is my favorite color. I even have a gold playlist on my YouTube channel. You should check it out. Let's bling it out. Let's do this. First, get everything prepared. Get your piping bag ready. I like to use a tip number 4 for this. I recommend piping on parchment paper first and then transferring to the cake. You'll see why in a minute. This is cool because you can trace if you want to. If there's like a certain font you want to use, you can just print it out and trace it. So first we're going to melt some white chocolate or candy melts. Just follow the melting directions on the back of the bag. It's usually about 30 seconds on 50% power and then 30-second intervals after that. So you're going to want it to be about as thick as buttercream. If you're finding it's too thick, you can add some vegetable shortening, aka Crisco, and then put that baby in your bag and start piping. If you haven't perfected your edible writing skills yet, check out my video, 7 Secrets to Writing on a Cake. It's super helpful. What I really love about this is if you screw up, you just scrape it off or throw away the parchment paper and start over. When you're done writing, you just leave it to cool so it hardens. If you want to speed it up, you can put it in the freezer or the fridge. And then when it's hardened, we are going to paint it gold. You do this by mixing gold dust and vodka or Everclear, or you could use an extract. My favorite non-toxic gold dust is TMP Super Gold Luster Dust. And my favorite edible FDA approved gold dust is Bakell Super Gold Luster Dust. And then let it dry. It should dry pretty fast. And then you just simply transfer it onto your cake. Make sure your cake is chilled so it's nice and hard. I love this because you can do your writing in advance or have somebody else do it that's better at it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.